Well, hello, and thanks for spending part of your day with me today. I put this video together for someone who might be in the market for a new guitar. They don't want to spend a fortune on it, but they've been playing long enough that they know they want to get into a quality instrument, and they're willing to look at something used. If that's you, you've come to the right place. In this video, I've put together 4 clips playing the GS5 clean and with different combinations of effects applied. I've got it mic'd up and I've got an electric pickup on it. So I think the recordings do justice for how this guitar sounds when you're experiencing it live. I'm going to go ahead and let the clips play through, and I'll come back and I'll give you some additional thoughts. All right, folks, just a couple of thoughts to close out the video. So in all those clips, you saw me doing a lot of, finger action. I didn't use a pick at all. And this particular GS5 is very favorable for that kind of playing. This has a cedar face. It's got the mahogany sides and backs. And everything that I read about Tonewood says that that's a good combination if you tend to play without a pick using your fingers. The other thing I'll say is this guitar is no longer produced. It went out of production, I think, like 2012 or 2014. It's been superseded by other GS models so that you can find GS 6s and 7s, and I think they're on 8 now. I can't tell you what the improvements are from generation to generation. What I will tell you is if you've been playing guitar long enough to know that you're going to be committed to it, but not so long that you can justify getting a high-end guitar, my experience with this is plenty of guitar. Everything that I try to do with it, it allows me. I have never felt like I'm fighting it. It's very easy to do the finger pulling, very easy to fret up the neck. And I think if you get this particular guitar, I think you'll be delighted with it for years to come. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions you think I might be able to answer, go ahead and post those in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Thank you. Bye.